Oh, look at this, folks. Look at the big woodpecker we got in the backyard here. Venture for Relics coming at you here. Man, he's a big one. It's about as close as I can zoom in. I don't want to scare him off, really. So cool to see. Try and get a little closer to him here. Wow, was that ever a big woodpecker? Man, I cannot believe the size of him. Man, that is cool. Yeah, not too sure on my woodpeckers what type or species he is, but man, that is so cool. Man, he's beautiful. Alright folks, Venture for Relics. Over and out on Halloween night. Or day, I guess. Take care. Bye-bye, folks.